My video tutorial is about getting rid of the browser hijacking extension called Bigoloo. So Bigoloo is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The trouble with this extension is that it indeed hijacks the browser. It hijacks the default search engine, and if it gets installed, it also replaces the new tab. And when you submit certain search queries, you notice that the results are often delivered by some other unfamiliar search engines that have not been chosen by users. Typically, these redirections depend on certain geographical settings. So even if you don't see any redirections, but you see this Bigoloo instead of your typical new tab, blank new tab, you need to fix your browser, and we recommend you to remove this Bigoloo because in most of the cases users don't install it based on their own decision. To remove this extension, access the menu, go to Extensions, choose Manage Extensions, and disable and remove this Bigoloo extension. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research the device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.